let's talk about English. Today, okay, we're gonna talk about, today this channel, right, is an English channel. Okay, we're gonna talk about what are the best stock in Singapore and Hong Kong. Hi everyone, I'm Andy Yu here, and this is Cliff. Hi Cliff.
Hello everyone. Nice to see you all.
Okay, so today, Cliff have helped me to line up some Hong Kong stocks, and I'm going to go through some of these Hong Kong stocks, whether is it good or not. Okay, whether both of us agree or not. Hey Cliff, can you help me to write down the Hong Kong stock? Write down on this paper. Okay, you write down on this paper first. Then later on, I will go through one by one. All right. So Cliff also attended my class, the technical analysis system trading course, and let me test him. Let me test him whether he actually choose some of the stock that I would also agree it is good. Okay. So UOB. Okay. So UOB. Okay. How is the banks doing? You can see that UOB is still very strong. It's still on the uptrend. But however, okay, I think it's too sharp. Okay, the upward movement, right, is a bit too sharp over here. So it's not a very good entry. However, if you look at the system, okay, the system also have like a blue arrow. So it's actually quite contradict to what we feel lah. So personally, I think that it's going up too sharply, but on the other hand, the system also have a blue arrow. That means it's still a good opportunity. However, okay, for me personally, I like to buy the bank stocks when they pull back. I don't like to buy bank stocks when they are like high up there. Okay, I like to buy when they haven't moved. Okay, so another thing here is this. Okay, so today, right, okay, I happen to see one stocks. I think this Singapore stocks, right, you can put in your watch list is this WeHer. So surprisingly, there is a stock like this WeHer that is on the uptrend. Okay, and over the past few weeks, it is still maintaining above 40 cents. So personally, I will not buy these stocks, but I still think that we should put in the watch list because over here, this is a smart money. There's a smart money in these stocks. So I don't really buy small cap Singapore stocks because we already invest in the US stocks. So if you invest in US stocks, you wouldn't want to buy this small cap Singapore stocks. But however, for people who are interested in Singapore stocks, right, okay, this is one of the stock that you want to put it in your watch list. All right, so I got this list. Okay, this list of Hong Kong stocks. Okay, so just now for Singapore stocks, the bank stocks is overrun already very bullish, and even this SGX is also very strong. So for Singapore stocks, right, if you look at the bank stocks and the financial is all overbought. Short term already run up too fast, so it's difficult to catch. However, why today, right, okay, we talk about this Hong Kong stocks, right? Okay, I'm not sure if you all know or not. If you look at HSI, okay, HSI Hang Seng Index is having a sell down over the past 2 months, and this Hang Seng Index is right now at the low point. Okay, at the low point. So which means in the upcoming months, right, they might have some potential bounce in the upcoming months. Okay, so over here, I would say that there is a potential for Hong Kong market. Why? Okay, a few things. Number one is the bottom is already set at the beginning of 2024, and this is the lowest point. And over here, it continued to make higher low. It continued to make higher low. So the higher low tell us that the big players are accumulating the stock, right? That means the smart money, they are buying and then they are not really selling. They are buying and then they are not really selling. They are accumulating. So we see that there are multiple higher low along the way. higher low. The low is getting higher. The low is getting higher. That means people are buying and holding. They are not really selling. Okay? They're not really like kind of like panic. Okay, so which means potentially the market continue to go higher. Okay, potentially. So over here, let's go and take a look at some of the stock. Okay, that is a potential. So number one of my favorite is Xiaomi. Okay, Xiaomi. So Xiaomi is one of my favorite, and Xiaomi is actually very strong right now. So you can see that Xiaomi chart has been going higher and higher right now. Okay, you can see that. Okay, when the Hang Seng Index is not going up. Okay, Hang Seng Index haven't moved up, but Xiaomi is actually one of the strongest. And if you watch my previous video, I also mentioned another stock called Mud. Okay, so same thing, okay, the same idea, which means when market is not moving, this stock already going on the uptrend. Okay, going on the uptrend. So we like to have look at this kind of stocks. Why? Because when market is going down, they are going up. Okay, if market go up, they might go up faster. Okay, so that's our idea. Okay, so do you agree or not? Okay, let me know in the comment. Let me know in the chat. Will the market go up and then this stock go down? Possible or not? Okay, of course there is a possibility. Okay, however, you know, we still, you know, want to kind of like you know, acknowledge that this is a pretty strong stock. So Xiaomi and Mud right now is the strongest. Okay, one of the strongest. So besides that, there is this China Shenhua. Okay, this is also one of the stock that my team, okay, this Cliff, right, has actually found. Okay, so China Shenhua, not too bad. Okay, today have these 2 days have some kind of a rebound. Okay, however, these are not really my kind of stocks because the drop, you see the drop, right, it can be quite big. Okay, quite fast. So usually this is a higher risk stock. Okay, but again, it's a rebound short term. It's actually quite okay, no problem. Okay, and another one is Vitasoy. Let me see Vitasoy. Is it strong? Okay, Vitasoy is strong. Oh, Vitasoy is very, very strong. Okay, however, Vitasoy don't have a entry signal. So this is good to put in the watch list. Very good to put in the watch list. This stock is very strong, stronger than the market. Very stronger than the market. So it's good to put in the watch list. However, let me just go into some other stocks like Tencent. How is Tencent doing? Okay, Tencent is also same as the Hang Seng Index, still weak. So for this kind of stocks, right, sometimes we might want to look out for bottom signal. Okay, and same thing for this 7200. You know, this is the Hang Seng Index 2 times ETF. Do look out for bottom signal in the next few days. Okay, so in the next few days, there might be bottom signal, and this bottom signal may be a good entry for picking low. Okay, picking low. All right. So, but again, if you don't want to pick the low, you are worried, then of course don't lah. Okay, then you don't. But if you want to pick the low, look out for the bottom signal. Okay. So for me personally, just now I talk about Xiaomi, I talk about Mud, and the next one is this 7200, and this is more for like a ETF kind of investing or trading. Okay, that means today the Hong Kong market is down. We all know that. What we want is to prepare ourselves in case the market rebound. Okay, in case the market rebound. So if the market rebound from here, you know what we want to do. We don't know which stock will go up the fastest, right? But we want to also pick the bottom. So 7200 is the key, one of the key stocks. Okay, so for Hong Kong, okay, Xiaomi, Mud, 7200. That is some of my favorite. Okay, so another side over here. Okay, sometimes we can look out for, you know, like a bottom master uptrend. We can do this screener. Okay, and from here you can find some other stocks like Fuyao Glass. Okay, Fuyao Glass. So right now, like for these few days, okay, the good thing is you start to look out for bottom signal and see is there anything interesting? Okay, so if there is a stock that is like example China coal, okay, China coal. So you can see that previously the bottom signal works in March 2024, and then July, and then September, and now we have another bottom signal. Okay, so in other words, China coal right now is having some kind of a rebound. So the more we see the rebound like this, okay, the better it is. Okay, so in other words, in the next few days, if there is a market rebound in the Hong Kong market, okay, if you don't know what to buy, you look out for ETF. If you want to select something, okay, you can choose the bottom master strategy. Okay, so other than that, another way for me to guide to see, right, what are some of the important Hong Kong stocks to watch. Okay, next is this Meituan. Okay, Meituan is an important Hong Kong stock. Why? Because this is one of the most traded stocks. Okay, so Meituan, Xiaomi, Trip, okay, are there any rebound or not? Okay, if there's no rebound, then we can forget about it. But if there is some kind of a rebound, Trip.com is also another stocks that you want to pay attention. Okay, so I do not want to put up too many stocks. Okay, I do not want to put up too many stocks. So number one, just now we say Xiaomi is the strongest. Number two, we talk about PopMart. Number three, we talk about 7200. And then number four, we say that Meituan is very important. But to me, Meituan and this 7200 is about the same. Okay, it's about the same. The movement, everything is following the market. Okay, so Meituan, I will drop it. And Trip, okay, Trip is okay to put in your watch list. Okay, it's okay to put in your watch list. Okay, so 7200 and then Trip.com. Okay, and then we mentioned PopMart already. All right, so I think that is about all. Okay, I think that's about all what we have for Hong Kong market. The rest actually stocks like HSBC, okay, HSBC Holdings, okay, this Hong Kong stock, HSBC Holdings. Actually, these are also quite good, as in they are not so downtrend. Okay, they are more by the trend by themselves. So the bank sector has been strong. Okay, the bank sector in the US market, in Singapore, has been strong. Okay, so if you want to diversify, another one to watch is the banks. Okay, so HSBC is okay, but over here on the right side, what we can see is the strongest is Bank of Communication. Okay, not Bank of China, Bank of Communication. Okay, so Bank of Communication is also one of the strongest. Okay, sorry, not Bank of Communication. Another one, you see the highest one, this one, right? This is Standard Chartered. So Standard Chartered is the strongest. Okay, so congratulations, we have got a new stocks to watch. Okay, so by the way, please help me to grow this channel by helping me to like this video and also to write down some comment, because whenever you write something, whenever you like this video and you subscribe, it helps me to grow this channel. Okay, so one of my goal is to grow this English channel, okay, so that people who can, who prefer to listen in English, they can actually also, follow us. Okay, so please help me to like this video and also, subscribe to this channel. It will definitely give me a lot of encouragement. Okay, so just now we summarize a few things, and the last stock to watch is this stock, Standard Chartered. Okay, the code is 02888. All right, so over here, of course, these are not buy or sell advice. These are just stock chart analysis. So I hope you do your own due diligence, study whether which one is suitable for you before you put any trade or put your money to invest. All right, so over here, just now for Singapore, are we done with Singapore? Singapore, basically the banks are already up, so I don't see a lot of opportunity. SGX also spike up, so also don't have much opportunity. And then let me just do one more thing. I do a screen. Okay, I just do one more screen for SGX. All right. So again, why am I doing this video? Because later on, next few days, I will be traveling to Osaka. So I might not have the time to, do a lot for the community. Okay. So in Singapore, the number one stock you must know is Centurion. Okay? Centurion is the strongest stock in the whole Singapore market. So Centurion is very, very strong. This stock, Centurion. Alright, so put in your watch list. It's not a good time to get in because there's no blue arrow. Okay, so the blue arrow happens over here, and this stock has been the strongest stocks in the market. So Singapore seems to be going on a very subtle, quiet bull market. Okay, seems like another stock, Bumitama Agri. These are not my favorite because the volume is very low. Okay, but it's good to put in your watch list. Bumitama Agri. Help me to write in a comment. Okay, help me to write in a comment below. Okay, so that some people can watch it and some people can see it also. Right? Okay. So the rest, the banks are strong, good to hold, but it's really too spike up already. Okay. So the rest not really doing well. Okay, so we got two interesting one. One is Centurion, one is Bumitama Agri, and just now I share with you this we heard is also on the uptrend. Alright, so I hope the Singapore market continue to go up. And for people who are in Singapore, if you like to hear this analysis in English, remember, okay, like this channel. And this is NDU, and that's the end of this video. I see you on the next episode. Hope you can like and subscribe to this channel so we can share more with you. Thank you very much. I see you next time.